Good evening, guys. We're here at Knott's Mary Farm. I can't believe it's Mary Farm already. That's insane.
Crazy.
This year has flew by, but we love Mary Farm. We're super excited today. We're gonna get on a couple of rides, but most of it, we're just gonna be walking around and enjoy Mary Farm. So we're gonna have a blast. But let's go. Let's do it. This is Knott's Berry Farm, a day after Thanksgiving. There we go. Look at that, guys. It is busy. We're going to enjoy ourselves either way. So
let's do it.
Let's do it. Look how cute, guys, the little Christmas stuff. It's so adorable.
I love Christmas. I'm cheesy for all this stuff.
Oh,
it's so cute.
Like I said, I used to be a little Grinch, but now, you know what? I enjoy it. I think it's adorable. Look at all this cute stuff. Look at the little cinnamon, what is it? The gingerbreads. Look at how cute. Look at, they got little Christmas ornaments. That's adorable. Look at the little cow.
I love it.
Look at that. That's so cute. Let's see what else they got over here. Look how cute, guys. Isn't this adorable? Look at the little wreath. Here is the little Christmas tree at the Calico Park at Knott. Yeah, the big Christmas, exactly, a big one. We're gonna be coming to the lighting. I think it starts at like 5:15. So, oh, there goes the bullet. But yeah, look how big it is. It's so pretty. Alrighty, let's see what else we get into. It's so busy today.
I don't think I've ever seen it like this. This is crazy.
Yeah, it's nuts. It's super busy. I mean, it's a day after Thanksgiving, so maybe, kids are on vacation and stuff. So maybe that's what it is, but it's so busy today. But we're gonna go see a show right now. We're gonna go see the Snoopy on Ice.
My favorite one.
She loves Twas the night before Christmas. Every time we come, we always see it. So
have to.
We have to see it. So let's do the line right here for the show.
That's just disability, and then we've got all that up there.
All this up there.
When we say busy,
it's busy. It's busy. Look at that, guys. That's insane. I don't think I've ever been to Knott's when it's been this busy. But we're gonna have fun.
Too, and it's not like this, but we're gonna knock it out, have some fun.
We're gonna have fun, no matter what. Look how packed it is, guys. It's so busy. Packed theater.
Mind you, we're like an hour, almost an hour early for the show too.
Yeah.
It was the night before Christmas, and all through the town, not a beagle was stirring, not one peep or a sound. Good grief. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Then we both started dancing the peppermint twist.
Twas the night before Christmas. the Charlie Brown little Snoopy
It's
show.
really cute.
It's super cute. I've always loved it. I hadn't seen it until, was it last year?
Last year.
Yeah, last year was the first time that I saw it. And I used to come all the time. But
She
I
never saw it till last year.
Yeah, I never saw the shows. I was all about these roller coasters, you know? But she loves shows.
I'm cheesy. I love it all.
But it was good, yeah, for sure.
They do some crazy stuff, and then, I mean, it's always impressive in a big costume with Snoopy on ice, you know?
Yeah.
It was good. It was really good.
It was super cute.
Packed theater. The park is crazy.
It's crazy right now, so we're going to see what else we get into. So let's do it.
This
is the wait for hang time right now. 120 minutes. That's so crazy, but look at this. It's so busy. All right, guys, we're in line right now for Ghost Rider.
It says 10? I don't think so.
No,
We'll see.
yeah, we're in fast lane, so it's probably going to be a good like 30 minutes or so. But the line for regular line is a good like, I think it said 2 hours.
It was where you, if you're familiar, where you enter the ride at the like the cave, like the little cave right there. That's where the line starts. It's crazy
it's
today.
crazy. It's crazy busy today, but we're gonna get this ride on Ghost Rider. You ready? I'm ready. All right, let's do it. So this is the line for the fast lane right here. Still, like I said, 30 minutes or so. It's busy today. Like I said, I've never been here and not this busy. It's crazy. We just got off Ghost Rider, guys, and it was running amazing.
We nabbed a front row too, which was so cool. We didn't wait that long either. It was about what we said, about 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes, yeah, for the fast lane. Now the regular line is like 2 hours right now. It's super busy right now, but no, Ghost Rider was running amazing. It was running smooth, fast. It was just an amazing ride. But Ghost Rider always is an amazing ride. You know, you can't go wrong with Ghost Rider. But right now, they're gonna do some little special thing right here in Ghost Town, so let's see what it is. Let's do it.
Crazy.
It's crazy. I know I keep showing you guys the crowds, but oh my god, it's just bad. It's crazy. It's bad. Yay! It's snowing in Ghost Town. Yeah, so cool. What is it? It's getting all my glasses. Oh my god! I have to take out my eyes. Whoa! It's cool. Yeah! Woo! We're having fun. That was so cool.
How cool was that? Like we're covered in it still.
Yeah, we got it all over.
It's like bubbles. It's not snow, but it's bubbles.
It's bubbles.
So cute. I love it.
It was fun. It was cute.
It was really cute.
Everybody's covered. Everybody's covered
It's
in
really
it.
cool.
It's
It was
cool.
really cool.
Yeah.
Knott did that ride. I love it.
Yeah, it was
Super
good.
cute.
Yeah. So we'll see what else we get into right now. So let's do it. So pretty.
Now, you feeling good about that?
Oh!
Yeah, stick around here.
Okay, and then over here we have the little reindeer. Look how cute.
By the boardwalk, on the boardwalk we have Christmas lights.
Christmas lights, and then we have the little reindeer. It's so cute. All our boardwalk is lit up. Look at how pretty it is right here. You having fun, love?
Oh yeah, it's so cute. You know I love Christmas. Are you having fun?
I'm having fun. Like
It's back, but we're still having a great time.
oh yeah, we're having fun. We're having a great time, and like I said, I used to be a little Grinch, but now you know what? I love it. I mean, how could you not like it? It's so much fun. It's so cute. All this stuff is so
Everybody's
pretty.
happy, having fun. How could you not love it?
Yeah, you can. You know, I can't be a little grouch today, so you know. But we're gonna go ahead up. I think we're gonna hit up Silver Bullet right now.
We're walking towards Accelerator. I think it's still down.
Yeah, it was down earlier, and I think it's still down. So we're gonna go see what's up with either Accelerator or Silver Bullet. So let's find out. Let's do it. Hey guys, so we got on Accelerator in the line, and we waited like 30 minutes, and then now it's
Right
down.
here.
We're right
You
here.
can see it. Right here.
We're right there. Almost made it, but we'll see. We're gonna wait about 10 minutes to see what happens.
We were
If
gonna
not-
use fast lane too, and I told her like, no, let's not waste it if there's no line, like 20 minutes, and we'll go use it on something else. My bad.
It's not her fault. It's not her fault. It is what it is. It's fine.
We'll wait.
We're gonna wait about 10 minutes, and yeah. And also, what we got you right here. Don't forget to like.
And subscribe.
Thank you. So we'll wait. So let's do it.
Let's do it.
We got maintenance right here. Let's see what happens. Come on, maintenance guy, make it happen. Let's do it. All right, guys. So they ended up shutting down Accelerator. So
Evac, we bailed.
Evac, yeah. So they're literally like it's done for tonight, probably. But we're over here by Silver Bullet. We're gonna hop on Silver Bullet, and hopefully it's running good. So we'll see.
Let's
do
do
it. Trip. We just got off Silver Bullet and it was running amazing.
Really good. The rattle wasn't there this time.
No, it wasn't there. I had a great time though. I was floating on my seat. It was good.
I was
good.
stapled for like my
Yeah.
first time ever, but it was still fun. Still
Yeah,
good.
it was all around such a really good trip. I had the little bubble thing was so cool.
Horrible.
And the Ghost Rider was running amazing. Silver Bullet was running amazing. Too bad Accelerator broke down, but nonetheless, I still had a great time. I love you.
We celebrated Thanksgiving yesterday, and it's just these holidays, it baffles me. One, the fact this year flew by so quick.
Yeah, it did.
But we've been clean, and we're here, and we're celebrating these things together. You know, we were at Thanksgiving. I didn't want to leave. I didn't want to go do anything else. I
No.
wanted to be there, and we were present, and it's just really amazing. And that's the best part of being through this whole part of it. You know, the whole thing is that we get to experience these things together, and we get to share time with our family and be present and be here.
Exactly. Yeah, I'm thankful for so many things this year. The list can go on and on and on. You know what I mean? I'll be here all night saying how much I'm thankful for. But you know, I thank you guys for watching us, and I love putting these videos out for you. Stacey loves putting them out. You know, we just enjoy it. And again, I'm just so thankful for my life now in recovery. I'm happy. I'm actually happy now. And that's what really matters, you know what I mean? Is that I'm actually, real happy. Not pretending to be happy.
Yeah.
It's real. It's real, you know what I mean? But, guys, thank you guys for watching. And, as always, it's some thrills without the pills.